Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Krishna. If you like me, you probably love the festive season and the celebrations and to of course dress up. So I'm going to show you how I transform myself into a Diwali diva. So if you are ready, let's begin. Let's start with skincare, and remember, hydration doesn't have to weigh you down. I'm going to be using the toner by Jobis and it's honey flavor to keep my face looking soft and smooth. And to fill in moisturization, I'm going to be using Lakme Peach Milk Moisture Cream, and it gives me 24-hour moisturization. And you cannot forget your lips to keep it hydrated. I'm going to be using the Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm. As you can see, it has a very smooth, soft gel-like consistency. So I'm going to be applying it on my lips. Now for color correction, and I'm going to be using the lighter color concealer. This is from the Miss Claire Full Coverage Color Corrector. You can of course use a peach corrector or an orange corrector as well, or you can use a lighter concealer like this. And I'm going to be using it in areas where I have uneven skin tone, like my dark circles and around my mouth. I'm going to quickly blend it out with my finger and then quickly set it with the Lakme Lasting Fix powder. Now I wanna set it with powder. So when it sets, it doesn't mix with anything else that you apply over this. If you don't set, it can mix and it can give that orange tinge. I'm looking for that glowy natural look today, so I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation and Pearl Illuminator together. I'm mixing them at first and then applying on my face. This has a medium buildable coverage, and what I love about this, it gives you natural skin finish, and to apply it, I'm using Damp Sponge by MAC. And to give my face structure, I'm going to be cream contouring with my favorite contour cream by NH Meno Pro palette. What I love about this, it's velvety, it has cream to powder formula, and it is ultra blendable, so easy to apply and blend it out with a brush. I personally like to blend it with kabuki brushes because it just gives that very flawless coverage. I suppose to sponge it a little bit more difficult to blend it out with the sponge. And then I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer, and the shade is 10 Light. I'm going to use it as a concealer to conceal, to highlight as well as spot correct. And again, I'm using the damp sponge to blend it out. With concealer, I usually go 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, nothing more than that, because you want here your face to be highlighted and look natural, but at the same time not ashy. Especially if you have discolored skin, and if you apply a very light color over that, it will start looking ashy, and you wanna avoid that. Now I'm using some loose powder set in areas where I use the concealer so it doesn't increase. And then I'm going to quickly use a brush to dust it off. That will be my entire face set. And now to lock this base makeup, I'm going to be using the Makeup Fixer Natural with Aloe Vera and Vitamin E spray, which is from Swiss Beauty. For the brows, I'm going to be using Music Flower Long Wear Gel Brow Pomade. For the eye makeup, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty Pro Eyeshadow Collection palette. I love this palette which you can travel with so easily. Just toss it in your bag and leave, and you can do your makeup on the go so easy. For transition, I'm going to first dip into brown, and I'm going to use it in the outer corner as well as crease using my eyeshadow fluffy blending brush. As you can see, I always stick very little color at a time. If you add too much color, blending becomes a nightmare. So you wanna build it up and keep on buffing so it's look really soft and blown out. And I'm also using same in my lower lash line, doing the exact same thing, smoking it out, blowing it out. So it's look well blended and soft. To dip in this further, I'm going to be using this dark brown shade in my crease. I'm going to be using it with the blending brush. And in my lower lash line, I'm using the smaller brush to blend it out. For the lids, I'm using the Shapeproof Glitter palette. This is such an amazing palette, and I'm using this golden bronze color. Just perfect for a festival like Diwali, which is the festival of lights. And this is so blendable, just apply it on your lid and blend out the edges and you are done. For the inner corner and brow bones, I'm going to be using this silver shimmery eyeshadow. Now I wanna smoke this outer little bit, get a sultry look. So I'm going to be using the Lotus Black Eye Pencil. I'm not only going to use this to tightline my waterline, but I'm also going to use it in the outer corner of my lash line. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to be smoking it out anyway. And then I'm taking this flat angle brush and I'm going to simply smudge it out to get that sultry look. You can totally skip this part if you don't want to do a smoky eye. I personally enjoy a nice salty smoky eye. I wanna show you difference. One is smoked out and the other isn't. So you can see the difference and you can go with whatever you like. I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes. You can skip mascara if you like. I'm going to be using Work Free Mascara. It's waterproof and smudge proof. And for lashes, I'm going to be using MAC Beauty lashes. I love these lashes because they wing out and the lashes look great. And here is the completed eye look. Now let's go ahead and finish rest of the face. And for blush, I'm going to be using this type of Little Pretty Pro blush and highlight palette from Swiss Beauty. As you can see, it has little bit of shine. This is a very light blush and it gives that very nice natural glow. And to highlight again, I'm going to be using this palette. On my lips, I decided to go with something that matches with my sari, and I found the perfect match and I'm in love with this product. This is the Matte Lip Crayon from Mars, which is a beautiful berry shade and applies so beautifully. I'm finishing up with a small bindi and a beautiful sari to complete this look, and here it is. I feel like this look is so modern with a traditional touch with the sari and everything. And I absolutely enjoyed creating this look. Can I hope you enjoying watching it? Please let me know by giving it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe. You will see new videos from me. If you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My social media links are down below in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. So bye bye and take care.